I made blue clay. I made white clay. I made yellow clay. I made earth green clay. I made red clay. And I made gray clay. Hey guys, welcome back to Samaj's Fun Adventures. Today, I am gonna teach you how to make homemade clay. So let's get started. Samaj's Fun Adventures. What we need for this project is gloves, a bowl, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 2 cups of water, food coloring, a bowl of corn flour.
In a bowl, mix the corn flour, salt, oil, and water. Gradually add water. Knead until you get a nice clay consistency. Mix food coloring into a cup of water and gradually add the food coloring into the clay. Continue to knead until you get that clay smooth consistency. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. This is how we make an easy, no-cook, homemade Play-Doh clay, an inexpensive, very easy way to make clay fun for kids, playtime. Okay. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see you all in the next fun adventures. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.